Welcome to our outdoor kitchen. This is where we have been cooking dinner and lunch and sometimes breakfast while we're building the tiny house. Under this cover is our Pit Boss grill smoker. It's currently sitting on mulch, which is not ideal. So today I'm going to be putting it on this grill mat. In this video, I'm going to give you an up-close look of this grill mat and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This is made of a really thick, nice waterproof material. You can see the water beating up on it. Both sides are the same material, so it doesn't seem like there's an up or down. Just so you can see what we're currently working with, it is a mixture of mulch and limestone, and just not ideal. I just moved the grill and there's even a tree stump under there. This is actually significantly larger than I expected, so that's amazing. See our Pit Boss grill compared to the mat. We could easily put like a side piece here for the grill with like a sink and a countertop, and I'm all for that. I already got it all dirty trying to move the grill solo, but that's okay. You can easily sweep or even mop this surface off because it is waterproof. If you're looking for a new accessory for your grill or smoker, I would not hesitate to recommend this mat. Of course, it would work better if we weren't working with such a lumpy surface, but that's okay because it looks a lot better.